Welcome to Quiz Nation. I'm Jenny. Let's play.
20 English Grammar, Intermediate Level, Quiz. Identify the type of pronoun in the following sentence. They are coming to the party. Personal pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun. Choose the correct form of the verb to complete the sentence. The cat blank on the windowsill. Lay, laid, lies. Lies. The cat lies on the windowsill. Identify the adverbial phrase in the following sentence. She sings very beautifully. She sings very beautifully. Beautifully. Very beautifully. Which sentence correctly uses a subordinating conjunction? I'll go to the store and I will buy some groceries. I will go to the store if I need anything. I will go to the store, but I won't buy anything. I will go to the store if I need anything. Identify the correct use of gerund in the following sentence. Swimming is her favorite activity. Swimming is activity. Activity. Choose the sentence that uses the correct comparative form. She is blank than her sister. Tall, taller, more tall. Taller. She is taller than her sister. Identify the type of conjunction in the following sentence. I want to go, but I can't. Coordinating conjunction, subordinating conjunction, correlative conjunction. Coordinating conjunction. Which sentence correctly uses a prepositional phrase? The book on the table is mine. The book is on the table, mine. The book is mine on the table. The book on the table is mine. Identify the correct use of participle in the following sentence. The broken vase was on the floor. Broken was floor. Broken. Choose the correct form of the possessive pronoun. That book is blank, belonging to her. His, her, hers. Hers. That book is hers. Identify the type of sentence. Stop making that noise. Declarative, imperative, interrogative. Imperative. Choose the correct form of the verb to complete the sentence. She blanked to the music every day. Listens, listened, listened, listens. She listens to the music every day. Identify the correct use of conjunction in the following sentence. I want both the cake and the ice cream. Both and want. And. Which sentence correctly uses a direct object? The cat sleeps. The cat chased the mouse. The cat is fluffy. The cat chased the mouse. Identify the type of adverb in the following sentence. He speaks quite loudly. He speaks quite loudly. Loudly. Choose the correct form of the possessive noun. The blank car is red. Woman's. Woman's. Women's. Women's. The woman's car is red. Identify the correct use of gerund in the following sentence. Running is good exercise. Running is exercise. Running. Which sentence correctly uses the past continuous tense? She has been reading for 2 hours. She was reading a book. She reads every day. She was reading a book. Identify the type of pronoun in the following sentence. This is mine. Demonstrative pronoun. Possessive pronoun. Personal pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun. Choose the correct form of the verb to complete the sentence. The birds blank in the sky. Fly. Flies. Flied. Fly. The birds fly in the sky.
Great job! Like, share, and subscribe.